Hello, my name is Crisia Jimenez. I have 22 years old. I am from Tijuana, Baja California.
Hello, my name is Camila de la Rosa. I am 16 years old and I am from the city of Monterrey.
My name is Miguel Vargas. I am 22 years old. I am from Tijuana.
Origin. In 1964, at the Anchor Bar in downtown Buffalo, New York, the famous Buffalo Wings were born. One day when the kitchen of this family restaurant was closed, friends of Dominic Bellissimo, who was tending bar, came in hungry looking for food. Dominic asked his mom Teresa if she could fix them a snack. Although they had set aside the wings to make broth, Teresa decided to fry them to a crisp. She then coated them in Louisiana-style hot sauce and served them with a blue cheese dressing and celery stalks. Dominic and his friends devoured them, leaving the craze on a stage that would reach across the country. And they remain so more than 50 years later. Anchor bars' only secret is the proportion of their sauce, but it is known that they use Frank's Louisiana style sauce. This style of sauce is made with fermented chilies, hence its distinctive flavor. The original dish is with blue cheese, not ranch.
Which are the ingredients? The first, 1 kilo of chicken breasts and cubes, buffalo sauce and barbecue, 1 cup of cornstarch, 1 cup of flour, 1 tsp ground ginger, 1 tsp of paprika or chili powder, 1 tsp garlic powder, 2 cups of milk, 2 eggs, and salt. Now, for this recipe, we are going to need 1 kilo of the chicken breast cut in small squares. They shall not be too big because when you blend them, they will wrong. We are making a recipe for 5 persons, 5 peoples of very good teeth. We are going to add salt. If you like it spicy or very spicy, you can add paprika or chile de árbol. And then we also add a garlic powder, about a tsp. We add the pepper and mix and mix. It's a very well, and the secret is to add a tsp of render. And in a pot, add 2 eggs, 2 cups of milk, and a little salt and mix. Here is the important thing is to mix a little and add to the chicken. Mix and let it rest for 20 minutes. To blending, we are going to use half of flour and half of cornstarch. We mix these two half and half mix and add a little salt. Sign the chicken recipe for 20 minutes. What the milk does is that the chicken will be tender on the inside and crispy on the outside. Now, we are going to put each piece of chicken in the bowl that was prepared. The process is a little late, but if you do a little by little in the large container, you can do it faster we did it is the way, so that is the closer and can be seen in the video.
We're going to put on the hot oil and we're going to fry them and they we're going to pass they to colander to drain the oil and let it and the we will beating then which a sauce. We're going to put the if the oil is already hot. We're going to put the separate so that they not stick before putting they try to shake. Then we to remove excessive flour so they will be crispy. A batch of chicken pieces lasts approximately 7 or 18 minutes depending on how strong the fire is. Once they are it is colored, they can last ISA between 7 or 8 minutes. We're going to take them out sensitive color indicators that they are already golden brown, that they are ready with cooking. I am going to put the in this container so that if there is little oil, it will drain and we going to the sandwich edge one of the chicken pieces. Now that we have the boneless prepared, well friends, we're going to split one so you can see that the acid is very soft and the outside is crispy. Um, with this container, I'm going to prepare some boneless with buffalo sauce. We're going to set the sauce. The sauce is from Culiacan. The touch is very rich because it has the flour on the buffalo sauce. We also have it is the sauce dish is little acid. What with the has to mix the sauce with a barbecue sauce. Once the sauce is ready, we add the almond of chicken that we're going to add. We add buffalo flour, sauce is a good almond, so the bones are battered completely. Completely boneless. Once we have and the bowl is ready with buffalo sauce, we can accompany the be pricing on plate carrots and celery also accompanying with a red sauce. Dressing which is also something very common with which we can accompany